The 2010 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, 4-wheel ABS, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.